We decided to do an applied research project because it was more real to us.
I wanted to feel like my work was doing something, like I was accomplishing something with what I learned, and that was a big one for me. So then once I stepped out into the workforce, I kind of had that confidence to me, like I've done something relevant, I've used the skill sets that I've been taught and produced something that has been beneficial to somebody.
Our applied research project was the centralizing and virtualizing of smart home technologies. This revolved around this net zero home. SAIT has built 5 of them to date, and we worked on the 4th one in the lineage. A net zero home is a home that generates more of its own energy than it uses.
It's a home that uses things like solar energy to power itself year-round, uses non-conventional types of energy like that.
Where we came in specifically was the IT-related infrastructure in the home.
With all this energy consumption and usage and generation, it's very important for them to track that, as it is something that is still in development.
Overall in the home, this information system collects a lot of data, say on electricity, from the time you turn on your lights, when you turn them off, and then it kept track of all of that, and then the research would go away to the discovery home builders, and then they use that to develop new homes that are more efficient.
Incorporating this project into our last semester into kind of our learning regime was actually perfect, because it gave you that bridge from going from the class to the labs and from the labs to the projects.
It was taking from a bunch of different concepts that we had learned and applying them in ways that we hadn't necessarily been taught, but we kind of had to think on our feet and make it work.
So having that as kind of the end platform for our class really seems incredibly intelligent, and just really allows us to see what the industry is going to hold before we actually get tossed out in there.